In this video, we will learn about inserting text level elements or the character formatting elements. In the character formatting elements, we will learn bold, underline, italic, strike, subscript, superscript, typewriter text element, big and small. In the logical elements, what is logical element? Logical element defines the structural importance of the text. Examples are emphasis, strong, keyboard, cite, variable, define, sample, and code. Now moving to the Visual Studio Code. So moving to the Visual Studio Code, we will learn about the character formatting element. So if we want to add a bold statement, so B, and in the this is a bold statement. Let me add a break line. Now underline. This is used for underline a word or statement. Now comes the italic. This is used for italics. Now let's see the subscript. For adding subscript, we can write SU, suppose water, H2O. So how shall we write that? So H sub, inside we write 2, then O. Yeah, now let's write the superscript and let's write an equation. So suppose 2x square plus 3. Suppose this is an equation. Now we will see the big and small tags. This is a big text. This is a small text. Let me add this break rule for all other statements for clear understanding. So we have write the bold, underline, italic, subscript, superscript, big, small, and next line the strike one. This word is striked, suppose. Next write the typewriter text. This is a typewriter text. Now let's run it. So first one is the bold statement, second one is underline statement, this one for italics, this one is an example of subscript, This one is an example of superscript. This one is example of big using big tag. This one using small tag. This one is used for striking a word or a statement using strike tag, and this one is for typewriter text.